Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Fingerprint, Face and Password. Go into Set Privacy Password and tap on Use a different password type. Pick one of the options. I will go with Pattern, so I have to draw my pattern, draw it again and answer the question. When you're done, tap at the top right corner. Then go into App Lock and select apps that you want to lock. I will go with Chrome. So I have to tap on it, click Lock One, and now when I go back and try to access Chrome, I have to enter my privacy password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!